Hi, Luigi. Savi told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, my name's Corey, by the way. Real quick, I'm just going to share three quick tips that you can actually apply to your website, help you draw in more of that quality traffic that you're looking for. Anyway, so I got your website pulled up. I do love that your call outs right here. It's really easy to navigate. And the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. In Google's eyes, the person with the most content usually wins at the end of the day. Plus, these images, what they're saved as, it's all content and it matters. You have a bunch of numbers back here. I would actually switch keywords back there. That'll just help with your rankings even more. But really being about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can actually layer the keywords they're actually trying to be found for. Now, if I just go and take AC Repair Orlando, Florida, right inside Google. This is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the top. They're actually trying to replace these old school ads, which is just another form of payment. So if you are running ads, if I just go and click that without me even buying anything, if I'm just searching, some of these ads actually go for about $47 a click. Underneath the ads, we have, this is all organic rankings happening right here, by the way. So this is this little map pack right here. This is going to be dealing to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really, what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that our competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way, we're always outranking our competitors. So these citations you probably heard of Facebook, LinkedIn. Those are a form of citation. There's tons of them out there, like Local Star, City's Best, the BBB. Once again, there's tons of them out there. Underneath this little map packet area, we have all the organic rankings. So this is right off the first page of Google. And to get on that first page of Google really comes down to that authoric content that you have on your website, plus what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it, really. And if I just go and take your URL right here and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site, any site really. So you got 744 keywords that you're actually being found for, which is you got 176 referring domains, which is pushing back 813 backlinks. Historically, you've had a just about 3.5K backlinks. You know, backlinks come and go. It's a journey. What you're gonna do with backlinks. Looks like you started your website back in 2015 or so. You've had you gradually increase and climb there. Anyway, so in return, you're getting about 72 clicks every month to your website. Now, these 72 clicks, we can actually see where these clicks are coming from these organic keywords. And they kind of coming through. This is how you're actually being found. AirTech of Central Florida, AirTech Orlando. You got your name up there. Picture frame mini split. Air conditioning repairs, Sanford FL. 11th position. You're not getting really any traffic. AC Repair, Longwood, Florida, 7th position. Not getting any traffic from that. Best Plumbing, Orlando, 40 clicks every month. Air Conditioning Repair, Oviedo, Florida, another 20 clicks. Yeah, but you're on the second, third page on most of these keywords that I'm finding. I just want to give you an example of one of your competitors here. Check this out. This is Del Air. Kind of giving you a quick rundown of what they're actually ranking for. AC Repair Orlando, 600 clicks every month. Their first position, they're getting 66 clicks every single month. AC Repair Orlando FL, another 200 clicks. AC Service Orlando FL, 150 clicks every month. First position still, so they're getting probably about 200 clicks just from those three keywords every month. So they're getting a lot of business. They have a lot of keywords as well. So grabbing these keywords, these buyer's intent keywords, is crucial for the quality work that's actually coming in. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan on how to get there. Feel free to reach back to me. or and leave a comment and how well or how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.